Welcome back to another exciting episode of Cutting Edge Tech Discoveries. Today, we are about to unveil one of the most intriguing and technologically advanced unmanned combat aerial vehicles, the General Atomics MQ-20 Avenger, formerly known as Predator-C. This AI super drone has remained shrouded in secrecy, and we are here to shed light on its groundbreaking features and potential applications. Join us as we uncover the best-kept secret of AI Kamikaze drones. In a departure from its predecessors, the MQ-1 Predator and MQ-9 Reaper, the Avenger boasts a turbofan engine and incorporates cutting-edge stealth technologies. Its design includes internal weapon storage and an S-shaped exhaust, effectively reducing its infrared and radar signatures. This groundbreaking drone is a true marvel of engineering and innovation. On the 4th of April 2009, the Avenger took its maiden flight, marking the beginning of a new era in unmanned aerial vehicles. This marked the moment when the world realized the true potential of this AI super drone. The Avenger shares weapon compatibility with the MQ-9 and is equipped with the state-of-the-art Lynx synthetic aperture radar and the advanced low observable embedded reconnaissance targeting system. Inspired by the F-35 Lightning II electro-optical targeting system. The beauty of the Avenger lies not just in its sophisticated design, but also in its seamless integration with existing infrastructure, including the ground control station and communication networks already in use for the MQ-1 and MQ-9. This synergy ensures smooth operations and compatibility, making the Avenger a formidable addition to the US military's arsenal. The Avenger's flight testing phase began with its first prototype taking to the skies on the 4th of April 2009, showcasing its exceptional capabilities. Subsequent flights on the 13th and 14th of April demonstrated its reliability and readiness for more challenging tasks. However, in a surprising turn of events, on the 15th of February 2012, the Air Force decided to cancel its MQ-X program, which was aimed at finding a replacement for the MQ-9 Reaper. This left the Avenger in a unique position, and it was even considered as part of the Navy's unmanned carrier-launched airborne surveillance and strike program, albeit briefly. In November 2012, the Avenger took another leap forward when it successfully flew under the control of the General Atomics Advanced Cockpit Ground Control Station. This revolutionary GCS featured a wraparound visual display and a multi-dimensional moving map, significantly enhancing situational awareness and reducing pilot workload. Throughout its development and testing phase, the Avenger continued to impress, accumulating an impressive flight time of over 13,000 hours, with most of those hours logged within the past 3 months. In October 2016, an extended range Avenger with elongated wings was tested, providing a remarkable 20-hour endurance and extending its reach even further. In December 2011, the Air Force's announcement of ordering the Avenger sparked intense speculation about its potential deployment in Afghanistan, particularly for monitoring neighboring Iran and Pakistan. With its stealth capabilities and the relatively safe airspace over Afghanistan, experts believed the Avenger could be a potent asset for surveillance and intelligence gathering operations. However, the Air Force later clarified that the Avenger's purchase was solely intended as a test asset, and there were no plans for its deployment in Afghanistan. The decision aimed to explore the drone's capabilities and performance, dampening earlier rumors about active missions. Fast forward to the present day, the Taliban's takeover of Afghanistan and the loss of access to strategic air bases have brought the Avenger's unique capabilities back into focus. General Atomics has pitched the jet-powered Avenger to the CIA as an ideal solution for conducting airstrikes in neighboring Pakistan. Its impressive range of 1,800 miles and 18-hour endurance make it a standout candidate for missions beyond Afghanistan's borders. The Avenger's long-range capabilities are critical in filling the void left by the loss of close air support in Afghanistan. as discussions continue between General Atomics and the CIA regarding the Avenger's potential use in Pakistan. Its future remains uncertain. If approved and deployed for such operations, the Avenger could mark a significant turning point in the realm of unmanned aerial vehicles. Its AI-powered capabilities and adaptability position it as a strategic asset for intelligence gathering and targeted strikes. Responsible use and ethical considerations must guide the deployment of such advanced technology, as it could shape the future of military operations in the era of AI Kamikaze drones. There you have it, the incredible story of the AI super drone Sea Avenger, the best kept secret of AI Kamikaze drone. From its stealth features and advanced technologies to its potential applications, the Avenger represents a significant leap forward in unmanned combat aerial vehicles. As it continues to be refined and further integrated into military operations, we can only imagine the profound impact it will have on the future of warfare. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling insights into cutting-edge technology.